What's the meaning of allocate? Allocate. 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 Allocate.
The term allocate refers to the act of distributing or assigning a particular amount of something to a specific purpose or recipient. This could include resources such as money, time, personnel, or materials. The end result of allocating resources is to ensure that they are used efficiently and effectively to achieve a desired objective. Effective allocation requires careful planning, consideration of the needs and constraints of all stakeholders, and ongoing monitoring and adjustment as needed to ensure that the desired outcomes are achieved.